Our cities are often referred to as concrete jungles. Concrete is all around us, forming the backbone of modern transportation and construction. In the first step of the BioInspired design process, we identified a problem with concrete that we want to solve. Concrete allows us to create smooth surfaces and strong buildings, but it cracks and is expensive to repair. In the second step, we will convert this engineering and design problem into a solution inspired by biology. To do this, we need to translate the problem into its abstract functions, then find biological analogies for those functions. There is no concrete in biology, but there are certainly living things that do what concrete does. Function is important in bio-inspired design because it serves as a bridge between engineering and biology. In the end, we want to find a solution to a biological problem that helps us redesign our chosen product. First, we need to turn the problem of cracked concrete into abstract functions. So, how can you do this? One approach would be to brainstorm functions that prevent the problem of cracked concrete in the first place. For example, we could try to strengthen concrete or protect, preserve, or shield it from breaking. Another approach would be to brainstorm functions that fix the problem of cracked concrete. We might come up with repair, recover, regenerate, or heal. As you are brainstorming the functions of your problem, you are forming the bridge between engineering and biology. Tip: the longer your list of functions, the stronger your bridge will be. In other words, it will be easier to find a biological trait that addresses your problem. To strengthen your bridge, use a thesaurus or find relevant synonyms or antonyms. Now that you have formed the bridge, you're ready to look to biology for solutions. Here's how you can start. Take each function that you listed and plug it into the following question prompt. How do organisms blank? How do organisms strengthen? How do organisms repair? How do organisms protect? How do organisms heal? During this exploratory research, what we're trying to find is a specific trait or organism that performs these functions. By trait, we mean a physical or behavioral component of an organism. There are several tools out there that you can use to find relevant traits in organisms. AskNature.org, Perplexity AI, Wikipedia, or Google Scholar are good resources to use here. Combining information from more than one source ensures that you will get the most accurate information. AI tools can serve as powerful research assistants, but be sure to pick one that references reliable sources that you can click on to explore further. AI tools are known to have hallucinations, which are inaccurate claims or references. Be cautious in using AI tools that do not provide links for you to check their validity. To recap, the goal of the step in the bio-inspired design process is to find several organisms and/or their traits that are relevant to your problem. Don't worry about selecting one particular trait or organism yet. We will dive deeper into the best options in the next step. By the end of the step, you should have several what-if statements. What if concrete could heal itself like starfish regenerate their limbs? What if concrete could heal itself just like scabs form in vertebrates? What if your bio-inspired design changed the world?